Hello everyone, I'm Nikki Parks. This is my data protocol presentation. Here I have my graphic organizer for my teachers. I was trying to think about my team and what they might appreciate as a resource, and this is what I put together. I know that sometimes we're running into meetings not quite prepared. This is a helpful bit so they can see, oh yeah, did I get my data put in that I needed to into my log? Do I know which students in my class are ELL? Do I have everything I need to bring? They have IEPs? If so, what are they for? All of these things are very important to us as we are assigning our students into the proper tier groups. We need to know everything. So a big idea I learned from this data analysis class was that we are really looking at more than just test scores. For example, down here, just keeping in mind, have they been coming to school? What is their attendance like? Are they wearing glasses? Did we have previous siblings in the past? Sometimes it's helpful to have the same teacher with the same families. Sometimes it's helpful to have the same teacher with the same students. We need to know more than just test scores so we can really give our child the best of what they need. So that's a helpful tool that I put together. I think that they they would really appreciate this. I think my teachers would look upon this as a nice resource. Secondly, I wanted to show you my data protocol I devised that goes along with the student tier data meetings that I attend. That's actually one big part of a data analysis that I participate in as an ELL teacher and as an intervention teacher in my building. I think that this tool would be very useful in our district. It helps line out the scores that we need. So another big idea is how to better see the strengths and the weaknesses. And then this also helps me craft my instruction, seeing where they are weak and where they might be strong. It's just a nice tool to use. I've got a notes section down here because we're always jotting notes down everywhere. It'd be nice to just have a consistent format that we can collect and have for all of our students. So this protocol, it can be adapted to work with various grades if you just adjust the screening assessments. Those green little boxes here could be adjusted very easily, so you could bring it up and down per grade level. I think it's a pretty useful tool. Thank you.